Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm going to be going over both today's trades. Um, so for today, um, I believe I showed my, I don't know if I showed my Asia loss, but here, let me just turn my executions. Also, don't mind these. I just like kind of, what's it called? It kind of messed up my execution, so I had to re-enter. But yeah, let's go over it. So first, I did three trades. So first one was a Asia short. So I got in on this RBC right here. I meant to only lose 80, like I was risking 8 points, but I tried to do the auto, like stop this thing, but it didn't actually work, unfortunately. But it's alright. So this was the first trade that I took. Obviously I got stopped out. I don't think that this is necessarily a bad trade. Like I would have taken this trade. So basically, this was on the basis, right? This, something higher time frame. Yeah. So basically, what I was thinking, obviously we have this 1 hour doji that we form right here after taking this high, after this high that respects this bearish value gap, right? We respect that bearish value gap, and then obviously I think that we are going to go lower, right? Um, I think that we were really bearish, especially after we pumped so much during freaking PM session. And we sweep that new week opening gap too, but obviously we were hella bullish. And we did just sweep me out. And I think um, I kind of should have caught that because we did tap in this 1 hour for value gap and we did respect it pretty well. Um, that would have been like the main thing. But yeah, like, and then also like we didn't really tap in Asia. We like for this we like this projection block. As you see, we like etched it. Like we really I guess we did tap in it. Like we did tap in Asia, but like we literally edged it. Like I'm not mad at this trade. I would take this trade. This is one of my setups. Like we respect the OT. We respect that we had a 1 hour doji, um, and we had that obviously bearish value gap that we were respecting. Actually, it is a bearish BFR because it is for value gap and inverse, so it is pretty good POI in my opinion. But yeah, it's all right. Like we lose like this, we take losses like this, and then my next trade was this short right here. And this short is not like I'm not mad at this either. Like these are trades that I would have taken anyways. Because like these are just my setups. Like I don't know. And this is just how they're playing out. Like they're not playing out well. At least for like PSPA is not too great for my setups. Since we are just losing. But I do think that we're gonna bounce back. I'm not scared at all. Like if I see a setup, I'm gonna take it. Especially if it's a strong setup. But yeah, let's go over this trade. So for this trade, I was obviously bearish. Um, obviously a long term I'm bullish, but I wanted to at least take some pre-market lows, or at least or tap in this for value gap, right? Like maybe take Asia low, tap in this bearish value gap, and then we pump, right? But what did we do? So if we look here, we did have an SMT at this low right here, but basically, because since I was bearish, what I drew at this OT. So if you see here, we respected OT right here, which is bearish signal. We have this 1 hour bearish value gap respected, or bearish BFR respected, which is basically just a bullish value gap that gets inverse, so it's like BFR. And then we have 10 a.m. right here, and Asia, we sweep it, right? We have the 10 a.m. open. We manipulate down, manipulate back up. No, sorry, we manipulate up, we close down, right? And then we sweep the Asia, we sweep this, we tap in this order block, we respect this order block. this is not a bad trade at all. Like I would take this 100 times over. Especially with that may and also because we obviously had that we respected that bearish leg up. So and then I would have targeted again said Asia low, which also tapped in that, but obviously that didn't play out. And then this is for my final trade. So for my final trade, it was a little bit more simpler. So we have this BFR right here. See, we inverse actually, no, this is not a BFR. This is just bearish. No, it is. It is. So right here, what did we do? Right here, we tap in this BFR. This actually might be a good setup that might be happening if we, because we just turtle souped it. Um, let's see what's going on over here. But let's see. So draw this out, draw this Fibby out. So as you see here, on 15-minute, we tap in the BFR. We tap in 0.5, and mainly because on 1 hour we have this doji that sweeps these equal highs, and then and respects this order block daily, this rejection block, and also on daily. Not to mention we also respected that rejection block too. So I would be a little bit bearish. And then what do? We dump Asia open, manipulation up, and I was thinking like, okay, this BFR is good. We tap in 0.5, respect 0.5, tap in that BFR. Good, good, good. Respect that BFR, and then boom. Get in. To be honest, I didn't want to get edged on this trade, so I just went for this. Target this low. But obviously, I got stopped out. I might look to re-enter on this trade, just because we did look like we souped it, but is there anything that is going on? There is this um, unicorn model, but let's see how much I'd be risking. 13 points. Okay, let's see. So if we turtle soup this BFR, tapped into 0.5 on higher time frame, 4 hour maybe. 4 hour, we just souped. Did we soup previous day? Tapping and see of this RB? No, this is not a setup I would take. So yeah, not your only thing we're doing is we just respected that 0.5. Did we tap in? Yeah, we didn't really. I guess this sweep on that previous high, but I don't know. I'm not looking for shorts here. Um, Mainly because we didn't even tap in like 0.6 level. Didn't tap in anything. So yeah, but we are down 400. I'm not too worried, to be honest. Like, I'm not going to get emotional. We do have CPI tomorrow, as you see, and we'll see how trading that news day will go. I'm not going to trade CPI, but I will start trading at 8:30, just to see like what happens after CPI. Maybe I can catch like a data low sweep, data high sweep. But yeah, there will definitely be a strong draw for CPI, so I'm definitely happy for that because there will be data low, data high formed, and hopefully we can capitalize off of that. Because those type of trades are really textbook, as data high and data lows are really strong draws. But to be honest, I'm just thankful to be trading on this fund. I'm thankful for God, um, for Him to be able to give me this opportunity and blessing me with everything that I have in my life right now. Like, to be honest, without Him, I would not be funded. I would not be pushing myself to try and be the best version of myself. So yeah, alhamdulillah. Um, But yeah, I'm just gonna see how this goes, to be honest. I'm not gonna push myself, not gonna force any trades. I'm just gonna take setups that I would take normally. Like I said, these setups, they're not bad setups, they're my normal setups, but I am just losing. And I think this right here is a test for me to stick to my setups and not gamble. Because if I do that, then I will be rewarded for doing that. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Hopefully, next time you come back, I am going to be in the green. And yeah, let's get this payout, guys. See ya.